Good morning, Ken here with Ultralight, and I'm going to do a short video, instructional video on our BA-AD, which would be this, BA-DT, and our BA-DB dovetail plate. So on the BA-DB dovetail plate, you'll get it with 2 US and 2 metric threaded screws, or I should say imperial threaded, the US. So anyways, you're going to get these screws. Depending upon what you're mounting it to, you'll use one or the other. Right now I have the metric screws being used on this CNC housing. And so they're long enough, these screws, they will go through the plate and through this bottom plate into the handle. The handle actually has, as you can see, there's quite a few other holes, so the position on this could be changed depending upon how you would like it. So take it, tighten it down, and then you can use either the BA-DT, and then you tighten it down by tightening the thumb screw, or you can use the BA-AD and tighten it down with the thumb screw. Either one is great, depends on your preference. But anyways, I just wanted to show you how to use and how to mount the BA-DB along with the BA-DT and the BA-AD. Other than that, have a great day and happy photographing.